Hey guys, what's going on? This is Karol from Undisputed Marketer, and if you're watching this video, you're probably doing some research and you're wondering about how to make money online without PayPal. So in this video, I'm going to answer this question. I see this question quite a lot on the internet. So here in this video, I'm going to answer this question. I hope to the fullest possible way as I can. So let's dive into our today's topic, and it is how to make money online with no PayPal. So first of all, we gotta understand, that PayPal is only like a means of, gathering your income, your earnings online. It's not necessarily like a must or anything like that. I hope you understand what I mean by that. And it is just a convenient way for most of the time. It's for purchases. It's not really about earnings or anything. There are a few ways how you can earn through PayPal. Don't get me wrong. There are a few ways that you can definitely get your money through PayPal. They pay through PayPal, but most of the time PayPal is only one of many options that you can get paid. It's never like the only possible way you can get paid off, and most of the time you just can get paid directly to your bank account or through your credit card and all of that kind of stuff. There are also different other ways of getting money, just like PayPal. They are very similar to them, like a Payoneer or any other ones. And so definitely PayPal is only like a one way of getting paid, and most of the time PayPal is used as a means of purchasing items, not necessarily getting paid. Now, as we have this settled, and I hope you completely understand this. If not, just let me know in the comments below if you need any more explanation. I'll be more than happy to answer all of your comments. And now let's get into the ways how to make money online. So there are different ways actually how you can get paid. There are many options that are connected with PayPal. Just for example, like an eBay, there is an option for you to basically get your payments through PayPal. But there are many other ways you can get involved in, and they are way more profitable than selling on eBay, right? Just for example, you can sell on Amazon, which is way more profitable than on eBay. However, in this video I'm going to focus more on digital products, digital marketing, which is one of the fastest growing industries in 21st century. And there are many ways, many business models that you could possibly get involved into, and they are very, very well paid. Now it's including affiliate marketing, network marketing, MLMs, and all of these kind of things, which are very much settled on the market, and they are very, very good payments, and it's literally freedom of work, and you don't get to stay in your 9 to 5 job, like in a office, and work your butt off, right? And so just a few sentences regarding MLMs and network marketing. I've personally had experience with both of them, and it's very similar to each one. Sometimes MLMs are referred to as network marketings, and don't get me wrong, it's a great business model. If it's obviously there are some scams in it, but that's in any business, but all in all, network marketings and MLMs are a good choice if you are into connecting with people and getting some extra cash, like a sideways. But it's not that much of a good option for getting like a full-time income, or getting rid of your jobs, and having the life of freedom, to travel and have a better life than you expected, right? That's exactly where affiliate marketing starts. And affiliate marketing is basically a form of a business that literally you get paid a commission for selling other people's products, right? So basically there is a product for $50, right? And you basically make the sale, so you get, let's say, 50% commission, which is a very usual to get a 50% commission. In fact, it's even more than 50%. It's usually between 50 to 75% of a commission from a selling price. So you sell the product for $50, you get commission of $25 the product owner gets his $25, and basically you don't have to worry about anything regarding the product, because everything which happens after the sale is done by the product owners, right? So this is just like in a nutshell, you know, because affiliate marketing in its core, it's not that difficult to understand, it's not that difficult to start and, you know, get involved into it. The bigger problem is that many people think it's like a quick money on the internet and fast earnings and fast, you know, becoming a millionaire overnight or something like this, you know. And it's just not really the case, because if that would be it, everybody would do affiliate marketing and everybody would be rich, right? But as we all are probably, you know, witnesses, it's just not the case of it. You know, you do need to put that hard work into it, and you do need to, you know, I don't want to use that word of hard work too much, because it's many times misrepresented and misused, because hard work is not only about, you know, putting the hours of work into it. It's more about, you know, being focused on what you're doing, and it doesn't matter if you're working, you know, 20 hours a day or you're working just 2 hours a day, you know, because when you are working 2 hours a day, and in those 2 hours you are laser focused on what you're doing, you're open-minded, and you're literally doing what is, you know, good for your business, not what you expect to be good, but what is good, literally, then you are even more productive than you would do if you would work 20 hours, right? So just keep that in mind. You know, it's not only about hard work, you know, long hours and all of that stuff, but it's more about, you know, doing stuff that literally put you closer to your goals, and just being persistent and consistent when it comes to, you know, your business and your wants. So, you know, and affiliate marketing is really the means to, you know, getting rid of your 9-to-5 job, having the better life, providing a better life for your family, you know, and having your freedom of life if you want to, you know, to travel the world and all of that stuff. It's all possible through affiliate marketing, of course. It just, you know, many people just don't really know how to do it. You know, they are a little bit scared. We don't know how to go, where to go for, where to start. And I'm talking like we, because I include myself into this group. I had just no idea where to go for, what is better, what is good, how to do it, you know. But over the time, I just went, and I just kept being persistent with this, and I just found a way out, you know. And so that's why I want to help you. If you are interested, of course, you know, no pressure at all. If you are interested, I would love to help you with this. Just literally, if you have no idea about affiliate marketing, or even if you know anything about affiliate marketing, you are a little bit experienced, if you want to just go ahead and let me know in the comments below if you have any experience with affiliate marketing. And of course, you know, I've created also a 4-day free video series about affiliate marketing. If you are interested, it's literally completely free. You have full access to it, and each day you will get to know a little bit more about affiliate marketing. What is it, how does it work, and of course all the strategies that are important to implement into your business, and how to really create a relationship between you and your customers, so that no matter what you promote, they are going to buy every single time, because it's you who is promoting it, right? And that's where you want to get in, you know, not even only in affiliate marketing, but in any sales at all, right? So if you are interested, just go ahead and click the link below. It's the first link in the description. You get full access to it, no questions asked, no strings attached. Just go ahead and check it out for yourself. And so this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.